Okay, students, I am going to solve one question so that you can do all other given questions in homework. Charges, 3 charges plus 5 microcoulomb plus 10 microcoulomb and minus 10 microcoulomb are placed at A, B and C of equilateral triangle of side 5 centimeter. Okay, now we have to calculate the force on 5 microcoulomb due to plus 10 microcoulomb and minus 10 microcoulomb. Okay, so plus 10 microcoulomb and plus 5 microcoulomb, these are positive charges, so force will be repulsive, and force F1, direction of force F1 will be repulsive. So along this line of joining, the force will be like this, F1. Okay, now plus 5 microcoulomb and minus 10 microcoulomb, the direction of force will be attractive, and the direction of force, because 5 microcoulomb moves towards the minus 10 microcoulomb, so the direction of force will be this, F2. Okay, now this angle is 60 degree and this angle is 120 degree. So first we calculate F1. F1 equal to K Q1 Q2 upon R square, that is equal to 9 into 10 raised to power 9 into Q1, 10 into 10 raised to power minus 6 into 5 into 10 raised to power minus 6 upon 5 into 10 raised to power minus 2 whole square, that is equal to 180 Newton. Direction along BA. Second, F2 equal to 9 into 10 raised to power 9, 10 into 10 raised to power minus 6, 5 microcoulomb, 5 into 10 raised to power minus 6 upon 5 into 10 raised to power minus 2 whole square. So again equal to 180 Newton. Now direction is along AC. Now in magnitude, F1 equal to F2. Okay. Now resultant force. Resultant force according to parallelogram law of vector addition, F equal to under root F1 square plus F2 square plus 2 F1 F2 cos 120 degree. Okay, so under root F1 square plus F1 square plus 2 F1 square and minus half, and that gives us 2 F1 square minus F1 square, that is equal to under root F1 square, and we get F1, and that is 180 Newton. Okay, direction tan beta equal to 180 sine 120 upon 180 plus 180 cos 120. When we solve it, we get 60 degree. Okay, you solve it. So this is the magnitude and direction.